Hello, happy Friday. Thank you, God, we made it through another week. The only thing keeping you from your weekend is some water cycle practice. So let's get to it. And of course, I know you already did your head puzzle because if you didn't do your head puzzle, you wouldn't be watching this. That's right. So let's look at what we've got going on today. Oop, spoilers, get rid of that. Okay, so we have in this first box a picture of the water cycle. We've seen this, we know it, but you'll notice that parts of what is going on is not really labeled. It just has a letter. So what I want you to do, and the directions say label each letter in the picture above, so A, B, C, and D. You're going to label that as either runoff, condensation, evaporation, or precipitation. I narrowed it down for you already. Wasn't that so nice of me? So take a look at the picture. Let's start with A. A has an arrow pointing from some surface water up to the sky, and that to me sounds like evaporation. So that's all you got to do for the rest of these. Now, if you forget what these words are, for the love of God, pull up your guided notes because these are all right here for you. Come on, people, make your lives so much easier. When you're done with that, scroll down. You might be thinking this looks just like what's above, but it's not. It's a little different. So here we have another picture of the water cycle labeled with some letters, but this time on the left, we have a description of what is happening during one certain process of the water cycle. And then on the right, I want you to tell me not the name of the process. Don't type evaporation. I want you to type what letter in this cycle picture that matches that process. Let's do an example so that's clear. Number 1 says water falls from the cloud to the ground. That sounds like precipitation to me. So if you look up at this picture, here we have the cloud and we have an arrow pointing from the cloud to the ground. So we know that is going to be that precipitation, and that is labeled with a C. So we'll put a C there. And you are going to do that same thing for the rest of these questions in the green box. Pretty easy. Then, of course, scroll down. You just have 3 more questions right here in the blue box. They are also pretty easy. These are also going to be on your guided notes. Pull it up. And as always, do not forget, don't you dare forget to do...
I couldn't hear what you said.
Siri's interrupting me. Don't you forget to do your exit ticket. Pull it up pretty in pink. Here it is. Just answer the question. Don't forget to tell me why your answer is correct. And then you're done for the week, really. Hit me up if you need any help. Leave a comment, email me, hit me up on Google Meet, any of those things, and I've got you.